What's up guys, it's TechBud here, and today we've got the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Now the Galaxy Buds Plus were released alongside the S20s and are just a minor upgrade from the original Galaxy Buds. The original Galaxy Buds were already an excellent pair of earphones. They had amazing sound quality, they were extremely comfortable and had decent battery life. However, there was one really big problem with the original Galaxy Buds, and that was the microphone. This resulted in call quality sounding really bad when trying to use the inbuilt mics on the original Galaxy Buds. Samsung have now added 2 external microphones to the Galaxy Buds Plus, which should make call quality sound much more better. And I will be testing that out in this video. So this is the box that it comes in. Pretty similar to the first Galaxy Buds. On the back it says 11 hours of playback time, which is increased from 6 hours on the originals. They have 2 speakers, 1 woofer and 1 tweeter, which should make music sound much more detailed and crisp. And instead of having 2 mics like the original Galaxy Buds, the Galaxy Buds Plus have 3 microphones. So without further ado, let's get into this box. So under this we can see we have some documentation. This will probably be the manual and the instructions. So as we can see, we have our quick start guide, and these are probably the accessories. Yes, we have a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and we have some wingtips, a couple of wingtips and earbuds, so you can choose the one that fit your ears right. And let's get into the buds. So as you can see, I have the black color. Now the Galaxy Buds Plus are glossy as opposed to the original Galaxy Buds, which had a matte color. So I think I prefer these better. They look much more premium. And the Galaxy Buds Plus also support Qi wireless charging, so any wireless charger should be able to charge these. As you can see, there is a red LED at the bottom which indicates that it's charging. And as we can see on the inside, they look quite different from the original ones. They have 2 buttons at the bottom, left and right. Sound by AKG branded on the top. Okay, let's get these paired to a device. Alright, so now that we have seen the Galaxy Buds Plus, let's connect it to a device. So I have my Galaxy S8 over here. Let's open up the Galaxy Wearable app and find the Galaxy Buds Plus. Let's open it up. And we can see it over here. Pair with the Galaxy Buds Plus, okay. And it's setting up. Alright, so now we're in the app. You can see all of the features that the Galaxy Buds Plus offer. So first of all, we can see the ambient sound mode, which should be improved from the original Galaxy Buds because, as I've told you before, these buds have 2 microphones instead of 1. We have the equalizer, so you can tune your Galaxy Buds to whichever way you want it to sound. So if you want more bass, you can toggle it over here. We also have the notifications, the touchpad, advanced settings, and find my earbuds. So that is the app. And so as you guys can see, closing the case will disconnect the earbuds from the phone, and opening it will now make the earbuds reconnect, which is pretty neat. So now I am going to listen to some music on the Galaxy Buds Plus to see how good the speakers actually sound. Alright guys, so I've just finished listening to music with the Galaxy Buds Plus, and these are the best sounding truly wireless earphones that I have ever used. I can't compare these to the originals because I didn't own them. However, I do own the AirPods, which, comparing these to the AirPods, these sound miles ahead. The 2 speakers that Samsung have added to the Galaxy Buds Plus make a major difference in sound quality, and I definitely recommend that you should pick them up if you're looking for earphones with amazing sound. Not only is the sound quality great on the Galaxy Buds, but that combined with the noise isolation from the silicone ear tips that they come with make a truly unreal experience. Okay, so finally, what you guys have all been waiting for, the microphone quality test. Let's see if whether two microphones instead of one can make much more difference in call quality. This is an indoor microphone test on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is an outdoor microphone test on the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that was a microphone test in indoor and outdoor scenarios. Now, in my opinion, these weren't the best sounding microphones I've ever heard, but compared to the original Galaxy Buds, which basically were unusable in terms of calling, these sound much more better. So if you are going to be making calls on the Galaxy Buds Plus, I doubt that anyone you're talking to will be making complaints about how you sound. Okay, so that was my very quick unboxing and first impressions of the Buds Plus. Now, if you would like to see a comparison video between the Buds Plus and the AirPods 2nd generation, then do make sure to leave a like on the video. And I will also be making a review video of the Buds Plus in a couple of days, so make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when I make that video. Thank you guys for watching.